Tornado going through South Wichita right now. Power flashes.
Amy Wiley. And we lost our house in the tornado. I was at home when I found out the tornado was coming, sitting watching the news, watching the weather on TV. About 9:45 p.m. the tornado was near the house, so we headed to the shelter. And about 10:20 or so is when the tornado hit. Really, it was sounded about like a loud rumble of thunder for 10 or 15 seconds, and then it was quiet. I was in the shelter for about an hour. When we came out of the shelter, there was a lot of tree branches blocking everything, laying on top of cars that were still there. We walked out further into the trailer park and saw that there was a lot of missing houses and then damaged houses and things of that nature. The one neighbor directly next to me, they had a total loss on their home too. One destroyed, they got destroyed their house, but for the bigger part of the houses over there though, most of them were just completely gone.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for their daily
my home wasn't gone, but it was destroyed. It was total loss.
Going nowhere, their tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow.
Power's out. Tornado going through southeast Wichita. Wow, you can hear it. Listen to that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. There's the tornado. Passing just east of Interstate 35. We're at 47th Street South. Have a large tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground in the southeast part of Wichita doing damage. It's a large tornado. Very large.